is Shashi from Akal Academy Mandale, and today we are going to learn about types of vegetation. In our previous video, we studied about flora and fauna. Flora means study of plants and fauna means study of animals. So India has different flora and fauna on the basis of which we have divided India on the basis of type of vegetation. So first type of vegetation is tropical evergreen forests. Second type of vegetation is tropical deciduous forests. Third type of vegetation is tropical thorn forests and scrubs. Fourth type of vegetation is montane forests, and the last type of vegetation that is found in India is mangrove forests. Now we will discuss every type of vegetation in detail. Talking about the first type of vegetation, that is tropical evergreen forests. So this kind of vegetation is found in the most rainy areas. So these plants or trees get water for the whole year, and if there is dry season, that is for very short period of time. That is why these are called evergreen. Okay. And in these areas, it rains about 200 centimeter and above. And talking about the height of the trees, so there are trees of the height of 60 meters and above. So these kinds of forests are found mostly in the Western Ghats, Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar, upper parts of the Assam and Tamil Nadu coast. Now we will talk about the trees and animals that are found in tropical evergreen forests. So first, trees: ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, etc. These trees are found in tropical evergreen forests. And animals: elephants, monkeys, one-horned rhinos are found in tropical evergreen forests. The second type of vegetation that is found in India is tropical deciduous forests. So these kinds of forests are found in most of the parts of the India, where it rains about 70 centimeter to 200 centimeters, and rain is not available for the whole year. So on this basis, tropical deciduous forests has been divided into two categories: moist deciduous forests and dry deciduous forests. In moist deciduous forests, it rains from 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter, and in dry deciduous forests, it rains about 70 centimeter to 100 centimeters. Talking about the trees and animals which are found in tropical deciduous forests are trees: teak, sandalwood, sal, neem, bamboos, etc. And animals which are found in tropical deciduous forests are lion, tiger, deer, tortoise, elephants, etc. Third type of vegetation is tropical thorn forests and scrubs. So it is found in the northwestern part of the country. There are dry states, or we can say that where it rains very less. So these states are Rajasthan, Haryana, UP, etc. So it is found in those areas where it rains less than 70 centimeters. Okay. And now talking about the types of trees and animals that are found in tropical thorn forests and scrubs are trees: acacia, palm, cactus, etc. So these plants has very long roots so that it can absorb more water, and these plants have we can say very thick leaves so that very less water can be evaporated. Talking about the animals which are found in these forests are camel, horse, wild ass, etc. Fourth type of vegetation is montane forest. So these are found in the most, you can say, mountainous part of the country. So in lower region of the mountains there are more trees, and in the upper region of the mountains there are very few trees or plants, or we can say that there is no vegetation at all. So talking about the height, so from 100 meters to 200 meters of height there are found wet temperate forests. And from 1500 meters to 300 meters of height there are found temperate forests. And above 3600 meters of height there is alpine vegetation. Talking about the trees, so oak trees, chestnut, deodar, etc. trees are found in montane forests. And snow leopard, yak, wild sheep, etc. these animals are found in montane forests. Fifth and last type of vegetation is mangrove forest. So these are mostly found in coastal areas and river deltas. So when rivers are merged in oceans, we can say that the water of river is not salty, but the water of ocean is very salty, and there are tides. There are a lot of tides at sea shore. Okay, so those trees are found in these areas which can tolerate all this. So we can say that mangrove trees are found in mangrove forests. Mangrove trees are those trees whose roots are always under water. So trees which are found in mangrove forest are palm, coconut, etc. And talking about the animal, the most famous animal that is found in mangrove forest is Royal Bengal tiger. So this was your topic for today. I hope this topic, types of vegetation, is very clear to you. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye and take care and stay safe.